Hello students, we are back with the next video. Hope all are safe at home. Welcome back to the e-learning. Let us continue the lesson Factors and Multiples. Today's concepts: finding HCF by listing common factors, finding HCF by prime factorization method, finding HCF by listing the factors. Let us find the factors of 8 and 12. Factors are those numbers which completely divide the given number. Factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Let us find the common factors of 8 and 12. Common factors of 8 and 12 are 1, 2 and 4. And now the HCF of 8 and 12 is 4. Let us take another example. Find the factors of 24 and 16. Factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. 1 is a factor of 16 and 1 is the factor of 24. 2 is a factor of 16 and 2 is a factor of 24. 4 is a factor of 16 and 4 is a factor of 24. 8 is a factor of 16 and 8 is a factor of 24. Therefore, common factors of 24 and 16 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Now, we need to find HCF, which is highest among them. Thus, HCF of 24 and 16 is 8. HCF by prime factorization method. Example: let us find HCF of 24 and 36. Here, we have to reduce the given two numbers to its prime factors. And we can do it by upside down division. First, let us find the prime factors of 24. Now think of all prime numbers that 24 is divisible by. We start with 2. 24 is divisible by 2, so we write 2. Then 2 times 12 is 24. Is 12 divisible by 2? Yes. So 2 times 6 is 12. 6 is also divisible by 2. 2 times 3 is 6. We stop here since we got a prime factor. Hence, we write 24 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now, we have reduced 24 to its prime factors. We do the same for 36. Now, think of reducing 36 to its prime factors and give a pause. 36 is divisible by 2 and 2 times 18 is 36. 18 is also divisible by 2. 2 times 9 is 18. Is 9 divisible by 2? No. So we move to next number 3. Is 9 divisible by 3? Yes. 3 times 3 is 9. We stop here since it is a prime number. 36 can be written as product of these numbers. 36 equals 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. How does this gives HCF? To find HCF, we must multiply prime factors that are common to both the numbers. 2 is common factor to both. So we write 2 one time. Again, 2 is common factor to both. So we multiply 2 again. 3 is common factor to both. Hence we get 2 into 2 into 3. Thus 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 times 3 is 12. So HCF of 24 and 36 is 12. This method is prime factorization method. Let us find HCF of 42 and 56. We reduce 42 to its prime factors. We start with 2. Is 42 divisible by 2? Yes, 2 times 21 is 42. Next, 21 is not divisible by 2. We move to next number 3. 3 times 7 is 21. We stop here. Since 7 is a prime number, thus we write 42 as 2 into 3 into 7. Let us reduce 56 to its prime factors. 56 is divisible by 2. 2 times 28 is 56. 2 times 14 is 28. 2 times 7 is 14. So product of 56 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. To find HCF of 42 and 56, find the common factors. 2 is common to both, write 2. 7 is common to both, so multiply it with 2. So 2 into 7 is 14. Hence HCF is 14. Example, find HCF of 36 and 54. 36 is divisible by 2. 2 times 18 is 36. Next, 18 divided by 2 is 9. 9 is not divisible by 2. So move to next prime number 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. Then 3 divided by 3 is 1. So we stop here when we get 1. Prime factors of 36 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. We go to 54. 54 divided by 2 is 27. 27 is not divisible by 2. So move to next number 3. 27 divided by 3 is 9. 3 divided by 3 is 9. And 3 divided by 3 is 1. So prime factors of 54 are 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now we need to find HCF of 36 and 54. Check for common factors. 2 is common factor to both 36 and 54. 3 is common factor of both. And again 3 is common factor of both. So we consider the prime factors as the number of times they occur in both. 2 is there in both one time. 3 is there in both two times. What we get here is we have 2 here, similarly 2 here also. Next, we have one more 2 but not in 54. So we do not consider it. We have 3 in both 36 as well as 54. Thus, there must be a pair for every prime factor in 36 and 54. 2 and 2 pair together. 3 and 3 pair together. Again 3 and 3 pair together. So we get 2 into 3 into 3. Therefore HCF is 2 into 3 into 3, which is equal to 18. So HCF of 36 and 54 is 18. This is done using prime factorization method. Let us take another example. Find the HCF of 32 and 80 using prime factorization method. Let us start with 32. 32 divided by 2 is 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we have 5 2's. So 32 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5 2's. We do not consider 1 because it is neither prime nor composite. Thus 32 equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now let us factorize 80. 80 divided by 2 is 40. 40 divided by 2 is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 is prime number. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So prime factors of 80 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. So 80 equals 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Find the common factors of 32 and 80. 2 is common in both 32 and 80. So this is a pair. Again 2 is common in both 32 and 80. So this is another pair. 2 is common in both 32 and 80. So this is third pair. 2 is common in both 32 and 80. So this is fourth pair. There is no more pair in both 32 and 80. Therefore, HCF is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 16. Therefore, HCF of 32 and 18 is 16. Dear students, home assignment will be sent along with the next video PDF file. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.